What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com today. Coming at you with a little video. I know not everybody wants to do affiliate marketing to make money online. There's a lot of you wanting to do drop shipping and FBA and all this other stuff, which is cool. I mean, you know, I've dabbled with that a little bit. I've found some really good programs out there that teach you a lot. I've found tools that help figure out what you need, the right products, the right margins, everything else. And most of these actually ship domestically, not internationally, like Alibaba and all that. So, you know, it's a little bit better for you than just you know, going on AliExpress, finding something, saying, okay, let's send this, which, you know, ain't a terrible thing. I know people that's made money with that. I've always tried to do domestic so I can ship it quicker versus 6 weeks. Normally I can get it down to between 5 and 7 business days, so, you know, it's a lot better off. But, you know, if y'all find me entertaining or valuing what I'm telling you, please like and subscribe. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description. It'll help you out. Matter of fact, if you want to do drop shipping domestically, you can even check out ClickFunnels, how to make a website there in order to make a store to where it's just a one funnel for the object that you're selling. That works really well on Facebook and stuff. But, you know, anyway, without further ado, let's go to the tool that I really want to show you for what it is. It's called SaleHoo. As you can see, find the perfect product and suppliers in minutes. It's a research tool that helps the community of dropshippers find wholesalers and e-commerce stores. As you can see, this place is trusted by Huffington Post, MSNBC, CNBC, MSN, Forbes, Success, Inc. I mean, they got 2.5 million products to sell online, you know, and 8,000 plus pre-vetted suppliers. I mean, you know, like this one right here. You sell this pillow, you can buy it for $8.36. You can sell it online for $30. You got a $21 margin. I mean, it's a pretty good deal. Here's how it works. You know, step one, find ideas for profitable in-demand niches by using the market research tab, which I'll show you. Step two, use their directory to find the trustworthy low-cost suppliers who stock your chosen product. Contact supplier, get your new product at a low price. I mean, it's that simple. It really is. And as you see, they've got what's the thing's called? A chat thing. They got a 60-day money back guarantee for this. It really is a beautiful product. Basically, you know, it's like I said, you go on their research tabs, and they got labs, spot hot selling trends, discover which products have high profit margins. You know, it's like the one I showed you at the top. You know, they're scrolling across. Matter of fact, let's go back up and see what you can find. Here you got one. I don't know what it is. I have no clue. But it's $15 price. It's selling online for $70. It's got a $54 profit. So, you know, like I said, it just keeps scrolling there. You can find stuff there. You know, here's the directory of suppliers. And, you know, you got that. You got smart seller training. This one's got a lot of training with it. I mean, it's got, I think it's 8 or 9 different modules for you to learn how to set up your store, how to do the drop shipping, how to do all that. That way, finding suppliers, product sourcing, all that good stuff is completely in depth. They walk you through it. They teach you what you need to know. And they got 24-hour complete one-on-one support via phone, email, live chat. That's what that's called, live chat, and Facebook. And you get help beyond basics. You know, they got trade show directory, online stores builder. They've got you covered with just about anything. This is basically what the dashboard looks like. So like I said, it's got a 60-day money back guarantee. They've got their own forum, unlimited support, step-by-step training. Then they've got testimonials down here you can read. And as you can see with the brands they're selling, they got Xbox, Disney, Revlon, Samsung, DeWalt, 3M, Nike. I mean, you name it, they've got it. And it's all name brand. It's not, well, they do have some white label stuff, but it's all name brand. That's, or the majority of it's name brand. And you know, they can help you sell. Like if you're going to sell FBA and name brand stuff, you don't have to worry about advertisement. You don't have to worry about nothing. All you got to do is put it on the list and match the buy box. And I mean, there's a little more to it, but for the most part, that's all you have to do. That way, whenever it sells, it's at that price. You know, the buy box rotates at the buy box price, and as long as you're selling there, you will get a percentage of the sales. And you know, it's like they say here, not sure where to start. Just, you know, ask them a question. Go back to the top again. See here, we got a little ball with a $10 profit margin. For the pricing, because I know y'all are wondering. Well, my computer will load here. You get a full year for $67. I don't know why that disappeared. There we go. It's just trying to load. And 100% satisfaction for any reason whatsoever. You're not satisfied, they'll give you your money back. Here's the 100% satisfaction. Give it a try if you don't. And if it doesn't live up to the high expectation, simply ask for a refund. If you decide that you like and that you'd like a refund, email them and they'll ask for your receipt number, which should be in your email whenever you buy it. Can you pay monthly? They don't do it, unfortunately. Like I said, the support they do 24/7. Still not sure. If you're not sure if they're right for you, concerns, email support. So, you know. And then you got, well, I guess I've got to go back to the other one, don't I? That sucks. Go back. Which is fine. You got success order. Here's the resources. If I come down. There we go. See over here you got all this right here. You got the complete guide to running a successful e-commerce business. I'll get that in a minute. Learn everything you need to know to run it, and no matter where, eBay, Amazon, or your own site. Like I said, with this right here, you can buy products at wholesale and sell it at retail. So you know they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, okay, they got 11 different guides here that will help you learn everything. And if that's not enough, you got the community here that, you know, you got supplier reviews, which really come in handy. That way you can look up the supplier before you ever order to make sure they're legitimate. Because if you don't, there's some out there that's just not exactly legit, and you're not going to get what they say it is. You know, it may be like, instead of being a new product, it's going to be a return, and then you got an issue because now you got a product that got returned for some reason. It may be the fact that it didn't work, and that's a problem. You know, I mean, it really is. Especially if you're selling Amazon, because then you'll start getting a bunch of bad reviews. Amazon suspend your account, everything else. It's not worth it. But you know, if you're selling on Facebook, it's not as bad. And see if you can get into it from here. I don't know. Products for sale updated, form rules, how to contact supplier first. Yeah, you know, as y'all see, I'm not even logged in and I can do all this. So you know, it's a really good product. If I was y'all, I'd check it out, see what you think. It's only $67. It's a really good deal. If I was still in the FBA and Amazon and all that, I'd be doing it. Matter of fact, I've thought about going back to it, so I may be picking this one up for myself. But anyway, well, you know, remember I will come out with videos 5 days a week. If y'all like what you've heard, please like and subscribe. I'll leave a link to this in the description, because it's really a good tool that would really help out a lot of people. I mean, there's 63 pages here as far as just the products for sale. And you know, let's see, well, I'm curious what the supplier reviews are. Let's check this out, fellas, right quick. See how many pages there are on this. See reviews, complaints, and scams. Anybody using that one's had a success stories, feedback. Let's go down here. How many pages are there? There's 95 pages on these wholesalers. That tells you you're probably going to be able to find the wholesaler that you're trying to get in contact with to see if they're worth anything, which is a beautiful thing. I'm telling you, it really is. I wish I'd have had this whenever I was trying my FBA thing before. Like I said though, I come out with videos 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, and you know, I release them at 5:30 in the morning Eastern time. So you know, subscribe, and if you don't like what you seen here, come over here to my channel, check it out. I've got 40 plus other ways to make money on my channel right now that, you know, I'm just trying to help people out and, you know, point people in the direction in which they're going, because you know, whenever I first started, I had that shiny object syndrome, and I just try to see. You can come over here, and I've got all these different videos right here. Well, come on now. Computer don't want to act right. I'll show you in a second if it loads up right. Good Lord. There we go. See, I've got all these different videos that y'all can come over here and check out if you don't like what I've done this time. And, you know, I've got other things that can help you out, how to make money online. But anyway, till next time, we'll talk to you later.